Alright, how's it going today, guys? Kind of in the middle of a snowstorm right now, but just figured I'd give an update. Finally got the bumpers on. Got them back from Line-X, and now they're on. So the install was, I'm not even gonna lie, it was a fucking complete pain in the ass with this, with these new trucks. I mean, we had all kinds of problems with the parking sensors, as you can see too here. Yeah, I don't know what exactly happened, but apparently something to do with the Line-X, and they had to be ground and they got messed up. So other than that, yeah, and also I've got some new LED lights in there, and I'm loving those. So like I said, once it's on the truck, and it looks pretty bad as fuck, and I need to stop swearing, but yeah, you can see it's pretty badass. I'm hoping this phone's picking it up. So the Line-X, it looks really good in person here. Really happy. I got my Ridge Industries to work in there. I was also extremely happy with that. Other than that, it's a pretty badass motherfucking bumper, I will tell you that. And then we'll go to the rear one now. It is pretty nice looking, so I'm pretty happy with how it all came out here. So, and now for the rear. The rear one was pretty straightforward. This one didn't give us too many headaches. Other than Ranch Hand has never sent me the replacement bulbs I got smashed during shipping, and that's what it looks like in the rear. I'm pretty happy with how the side step is and everything. Sensors didn't get too messed up on here, so yeah, and it looks pretty nice too. Yeah, like I said, she looks pretty good there. So just we're ready to hook up a trailer. So we're kind of in a friggin' little bit of a snowstorm right now. So yeah, but that front one looks great. Anyways, you guys let me know what you think. Anyways, take care.